Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do my 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have Leetcode 680, valid palindrome 2. So given a non-empty string s, so you may delete at most one character, judge whether you can make it to a palindrome or not. So the example in here, input will be APA. So this is a palindrome. So if you haven't done the valid palindrome 1, please go back to my channel, go back to my video, and then you can check out. So the basic idea is reading from the left and the same as reading from the right. You will get the same order. At that string will be a palindrome. So in this case, this is true. So you can delete at most one character. So the example 2 in here, so you can either delete B or C to make the string become a palindrome. So ABA is a palindrome or ACA is palindrome. So I have another example right here. So for the solution for this question is same as the palindrome 1, but we have beginning pointer pointed to here and pointer pointed to the last character. So if they are the same, they narrow down. Now is this 2 right now. If they're the same, keep going down. So now this is different. So when they're different, so we can either check, delete this one. We can check either this one is a palindrome or this one is palindrome. So it turns out deleting A, which is BB, is palindrome. So you can see this outside loop is a palindrome. In a palindrome, you put another palindrome. That means it's a palindrome. So that's valid. That's what they checking. So now let's take a look at the code. So first we have start pointer is equal to 0 and pointer equal to s.length minus 1. So while start less than n, this is a basic template. So if, like what we said in this case, if s chart at start equal to s dot chart at n, and at that case we will increment start by 1 and also decrement n by 1. But if they're not the same, then we will need a helper function. This Boolean helper function called valid palindrome, which is the question that valid palindrome 1, by putting in a string, determine is it a palindrome or not. So for this, we can, if you don't know, we can go back to the video. I'll just go a little bit fast in here. Basic idea is just have a pointer at the beginning, have a pointer at the end, and keep looping. If they're the same, keep narrow down until they meet each other. If they meet each other and then see no different, then that is a palindrome. So we have start less than n. So if s chart at start not equal to, if they're not equal, then you can return false already. That means they are not palindrome. Other than that, we narrow down by adding 1 to the start, minus 1 to the end. And if the loop is finished, and then return true. So this is the basic checking palindrome. So what we need is, like what we said, now that's the different. The different here, the pointer now is different. Then we can either check this string is palindrome or this string is palindrome. If either one of them or either or one of them are palindrome, that means valid. So we can return valid palindrome as dot substring. So now I'll have a pointer right here. We can have star +1 and then n +1. Yeah. This is here. Star +1 and n +1. This is this string. And also valid palindrome. So substring started with star and so this is the second part, which is A and B. In this case, if either of them, only one of them become true, that means they are valid. So that's the solution. And at the end, we return true if everything's cool, the while loop is done. So that's it for this question. Let me delete some note in here. Oh, what's this? Oh, this helper function is the same name. Sorry. We can make a helper function. In here, it's the same names here, so we cannot use it. So we look. Okay, run is the test is good, and it passed. So this is the solution for this question. If you have any question, please comment it below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.